If your food production site or storage facility has tall ceilings, ducts, silos, or high walls, your cleaning routine is missing something critical. That's high access cleaning. The specialist, legally mandated, high risk, high reward deep clean that only certified professionals can perform. I'm Trevor Whitaker from Crystal Mount. Today, let's explore why the service is essential, who needs it, what standards apply, and how we deliver with total compliance and safety. The question is, what is high access cleaning, Trevor? Well, high access cleaning means decontaminating, sanitizing, and cleaning surfaces that can only be reached by specially trained high access technicians and, of course, using specialized equipment. Areas such as catwalks, silos, storage tanks, high ceilings, ventilation ducts, even hard to reach conveyors. Our teams use rope access, safety certified scaffolding, mobile elevated work platforms, you and I call it the cherry picker. This is dangerous, precise, skilled, intensive work which can only be executed by trained, certified operators handling heights, fall protection, and risk management. The regulation and audit risks if you're ISO 22000 certified, YUM certified, or operate under food safety standards, high access cleaning isn't optional. I'm sorry. ISO 22000 food safety management systems require control of every food exposed surface. Yes, even those above 4 or 5 meters. Auditors look for documented proof, not verbal assurance, that these areas are cleaned regularly and safely. If you can't produce certificates of competency or deep clean records, your audit could fail instantly. Why it's worth the investment? Yes, this service does cost more. We all know it. But here's what it delivers. Regularly compliant services, reduced risk of contamination and pest harboring, extended asset lifespan for the infrastructure, improved audit scores, fewer shutdowns, or dust-related non-conformances. And it shows your staff, your customers, and yes, your insurance company that you run a facility on a different level. Excuse the pun. How Crystal Mount delivers? Well, here's how we handle it. Number 1, risk assessment and method statements. Every job begins with JSA and RAMs. Number 2, certified technicians. In other words, competence and competency certificates, height and rope certifications. Number 3, specialist equipment, specialist platforms, harnesses, fall arrest systems. And number 4, safety compliant processes. In other words, PPE, supervision, rescue plan, toolbox meetings as well. 5, cleaning and decontamination, detailed reports, photos, and signed certificate of completion. We tailor industrial, commercial, and food environments, building to suit your audit and safety standards every time. Let's talk about service frequency, Trevor, and what happens next. Well, best practice for frequency, every 6 months for standard facilities. However, quarterly for high risk or HACCP controlled environments. Crystal Mount offers 12-month contracts with annual renewal, thereby securing scheduled visits, fixed pricing, priority slots in busy periods. No more running against the clock when auditors announce their visit. High access cleaning is not just a service, it's a safety, compliance, and reputation investment. Don't wait for an audit failure or worse, a contamination-related shutdown. Contact Crystal Mount today. Let's get your facility certified, safe, and ready at any height. Crystal Mount, climbing high, cleaning safe, every time.